Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Zoom for effective meetings, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the needs of your team and the purpose of your meeting. Identify the number of participants expected to join the call. Choose the appropriate Zoom plan based on your team size and meeting frequency. Create a dedicated Zoom account for your organization, ensuring it's secure and easily accessible. Schedule your meetings in advance to allow participants to prepare accordingly. Utilize the calendar integration feature to send out invites and reminders. Set clear agendas for each meeting to maintain focus and productivity. Encourage all participants to utilize video for enhanced engagement. Ensure everyone is familiar with Zoom's features, such as screen sharing and breakout rooms. Use the chat function to facilitate questions and comments during the meeting. Record sessions for team members who may not be able to attend live. Conduct a brief training session for participants to go over any necessary features. Establish ground rules for meetings, such as muting when not speaking and raising hands to contribute. Evaluate your technology and internet connection to minimize disruptions. Gather feedback from participants after each meeting to identify areas for improvement. Continuously adapt your meeting strategies based on this feedback and team needs. Utilize Zoom integrations with productivity tools to streamline processes further. Try different formats, such as webinars or panel discussions, to keep meetings dynamic. Consider using Zoom's polling feature to encourage participants to follow up after meetings with actionable items and next steps. Monitor engagement during meetings and adjust your approach as needed. Make sure to keep all Zoom settings updated for enhanced security and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.